Can you help with decluttering or rubbish removal before selling?
Yes, and this can be a game changer for how your property presents in photos and inspections. At Clean House Melbourne, we offer light decluttering and rubbish removal support as part of our pre-sale preparation service. If you're overwhelmed by overflowing pantries, wardrobes, or bathroom drawers, excess kids' toys, paperwork, or household clutter, bulky rubbish in garages, balconies, or storage sheds, we can step in and help clear, sort, and dispose of it, leaving your space tidy, streamlined, and open. We'll even remove unwanted junk or green waste, arrange skip bins or mini skips where needed, help you prep for styling or staging themes. Buyers love open spaces, and too much stuff makes rooms feel smaller. Decluttering not only improves presentation, it makes your home feel move-in ready. We can guide you through it or handle the heavy lifting for you.